Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over an update on IQST, ticker symbol IQST. It says they're on track to $90 million in 2022 revenue and the uplisting to Nasdaq as they've been talking about. Great news. It says the CEO's update is below. It says, let me start by saying IQST is better than ever, better than yesterday, better than last week, better than last month, better than last year. The company has more cash in the bank than ever. We have enough cash to continue executing on our business plan to include our ongoing merger and acquisition campaign. Our cash reserve is adequate to support our business plan through the balance of this year and into next year. We remain on track to exceed $90 million revenue forecast and our positive net income objective. The prevailing market is wrought with concern and uncertainty. With inflation and war dominating the headlines, shareholder concerns are understandable. Technology stocks are often rely on access to capital to fund growth, can take a particularly beating in a bear market. The good news for IQST shareholders is we are not one of those technology companies or stocks that is currently relying on access to capital. We had the good fortune of funding our business plan last year before the current market mayhem. Let me share with you the good cause for optimism at IQST, even on the raining days. Let's start with the underlying fundamental offering, connectivity and mobility. Our fundamental offering is fundamental to the routine conduct of modern life. We all need to be connected. Our family, our friends, banks, and communities, now more than ever, as a result of the growing modern connectivity needs. We need our voice and SMS business continue to grow on a daily basis. Modern society is more connected than ever and more mobile than ever. People expect to be seamlessly connected with complete mobility freedom. Our connected electronic motorcycles and our MasterCard fintech ecosystem are an excellent mobile and connected solutions of the modern world as high quality product at competitive prices. Our telecom business is the aircraft carrier in the IQST fleet and mobile connected solutions. We're on track to achieve the best year since its founding. All of our 6 telecom subsidiaries are growing revenue, increasing gross profit, and continuing to be increasing net income, all while getting higher and higher customer recognition. We recently announced the acquisition of SmartBiz and Webull that are expected to add $11.6 million and $1.34 million positive net income to our existing revenue and income. In both cases, we acquired them by paying with a mix of cash and IQST 6-month restricted common shares. The payment is restricted. Stock demonstrates the strength of IQST stock. As I write this letter, we're participating at the International Telecoms Week in Washington, D.C. We have 9 IQST executives in attendance, conducting more than 180 business meetings with the top customers and vendors in the telecom industry. To include, and these are some of the ones that they include here, IQST's reputation is allowing us to engage with the largest telecom companies in the world. It is reasonable to expect these meetings will make a substantial contribution to IQST's organic growth throughout the balance of this year and beyond. Shareholder confidence should be further bolstered by IQST's new product developments. Our EV motorcycles, MasterCard fintech ecosystem, and our IoT smart gas/tank solutions are fully developed, market tested, and ready to begin generating high margin revenues. Our first batch of EVOS EV motorcycles have been received and have received excellent customer reviews. We're now working on the commercial launch in 4 countries this year. We have announced our first MasterCard fintech ecosystem business partnership. We are now working on 3 additional partnerships that we expect to fast track the rapid growth of our MasterCard fintech ecosystem. Our IoT smart gas/tank has been deployed with a Fortune 500 chemical corporation customer. We expect to soon announce the results of the first deployment and then begin a global sales and marketing campaign. We have not wavered from our Nasdaq uplisting objective. I have no doubt that we should be and can be I have no doubt that we should be and can be a Nasdaq listed company. We remain committed to continuing toward our Nasdaq listing objective. We also remain committed to achieving the Nasdaq minimum listing share price organically without a reverse split. Fantastic. Okay. And you can kind of go through and read the rest of this here, but all the way down it says the best is yet to come. I love to see that. So overall, I got a lot of good things. This will be linked in the description below if you want to go ahead and take a look at it. But overall, a lot of good things still moving in the right direction. This thing is still fairly cheap. I'm planning on buying more next week. I'm transferring some money in to get more of this, to get more of ZNOG, maybe grab a couple bucks worth of hemp. And then, of course, Shiba Inu, I'm going to go and buy some more of that. So I'm going to be going shopping next week. So let's take a look at the charts here and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, so IQST, ticker symbol IQST. And we are in a good buy zone, in my opinion, guys. We fell all the way down here to about 33 cents. And people took advantage of that, pumped us up all the way back to about 42.5 cents. We do need to get above about 55 cents and hold in order for us to confirm that we are in an overall bullish pattern. Okay, I did break below that support line and fell straight down. So now we got to really, if we can get to back to about 50 cents next week and at least hold there, I'll feel pretty good about it. Again, for me, 50 cents or below is a strike zone, which is why I'm putting some more money in, because we could get it, a little bit cheaper. It could, I know it's popping its head above 40 here. It could fall back down maybe into the 30s before making its way back up and poking its head above 50. So overall, we want it to get about 50, 55 cents and hold there to feel kind of confident that that we should be kind of making our way back up to that dollar mark. Because I think eventually we're going to get a big push and we're going to come and retest that $1 to $1.05 mark at some point this year. So that's my plan for next week. I'm going to, like I said, buy some more. The overall floor is 33 cents and you have about 48.5 first level of resistance, and 60.5, 69 cents, 77.5, 88, and then of course the $1.05 is your tip top ceiling. So anyway, just wanted to provide you that update. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.